Hello everyone, I'm Jim Kollar, Canfield Industries. I am the National Sales Manager for the company, and here we are at our new Canfield Industries horizontal molding department. This whole facility is new to us. We've been in it for coming up on 2 years. We have 5 different horizontal molding machines, and a horizontal molding machine will run lights out 24/7. It doesn't need to have an operator handy. We just added 2 new machines, so we'll go through that. As you can see behind me, here's a lot of our different tools that make different parts that are proprietary for us. Each tool, it could be a Canfield connector, DIN interface, OSV lenses, or Spartan Scientific. Either division is covered in this location. You know, these are different types of things we do. So we take this polymer, add a little bit of colorant. As you can see, it's about 1 to 100. And then when we do that, we end up with these finished. These are top nuts for our 3800 series coils. So there's O-rings that go in these lock down and seal up the tops of our coils. This is the sprue, this is a 4-place tool, so 4 parts come out per shot. Again, more tools, both Canfield Spartan valves, Canfield connector parts. So a couple of our new machines, we have 4 different Cincinnati millicrons. The first one, this is a 90-ton. We have 3 millicrons that are 55 tons. So you'll watch the machine cycles. As it's cycling, he's adding parts. He's going to put the screws back in to make the threads. He's adding the thread certs back in, and he'll pull the other parts out while it molds. So that is a horizontal machine that does require this specific tool. It requires an operator to take the parts on and off. It does run, you don't lose a lot of cycle time. The more we run tools, the more quantity we use. For example, this is part of our 4B series valves. So this tool is 100% automated. You can see here, that's a cylinder that is pulling this thread out of each shot. So it automatically unthreads versus an operator running it. 24/7, it could be running and continually making parts. Here we have Josh Schned. Josh is our lead head of all of the horizontal molding. Right here, like I showed you earlier, these are our top nuts. Josh, how many parts a day do you think you run here?
Anywhere between 5,000 and 10,000 per shift on average.
24/7 you'll run on the horizontal side of things. If an operator, obviously that's not the case. So all of these machines are fed. There's hoppers of material. It's dried, it's fed. We control the environment to keep the temperatures kind of consistent so it doesn't change your parameters. So again, I'm Jim Kollar with Canfield Industries here at the horizontal molding department, and I want to say thank you and look forward to making parts for you.